Welcome back to our channel. We understand that a broken relationship can leave us feeling lost, hurt, and unsure of how to move forward. But remember, you are not alone in this journey. We're here to offer support, share practical steps, and empower you to embrace the healing process. 1. The first step in healing after a broken relationship is to allow yourself to grieve. It's completely normal to feel a wide range of emotions such as sadness, anger, confusion, and even relief. Give yourself permission to experience these emotions without judgment. Cry if you need to, talk to a trusted friend or therapist, and embrace the healing power of time. 2. Take some time for self-reflection. Look back on the relationship and honestly assess what worked and what didn't. Recognize any patterns or behaviors that may have contributed to the breakup. Use this as an opportunity for personal growth and learning. Understanding your own needs, boundaries, and values will help you make healthier choices in future relationships. 3. Building a strong support system is crucial when healing after a broken relationship. Reach out to family and friends who genuinely care about your well-being. Share your feelings with them, seek their advice, and lean on their support. Additionally, consider joining support groups or seeking therapy to connect with others who have gone through similar experiences. 4. Take this opportunity to rediscover who you are as an individual. Engage in activities that bring you happiness and fulfillment. Explore new hobbies, interests, or pursue long-held passions. Use this time to reconnect with your own dreams and aspirations. Remember, your identity isn't solely defined by the relationship you were in. Embrace the opportunity to grow and become the best version of yourself. 5. Holding on to anger, resentment, or bitterness will only hinder your healing process. It's important to work towards forgiveness, both for yourself and your ex-partner. Understand that forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting or condoning the actions that led to the breakup. Rather, it's about releasing the emotional baggage that weighs you down. Letting go will free you to move forward and find true inner peace. Conclusion. Healing after a broken relationship takes time, patience, and self-compassion. Remember, it's a journey, and everyone heals at their own pace. That's all for today's video. If you found these steps helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more empowering content. As always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.